This is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, I'm looking for, I'll come to my monthly time frame as usual. I'll check what the price is doing on the monthly time frame. I could see on GBPUSD is kind of corrective. I could see a corrective pattern on price on GBPUSD at the major level. It's looking corrective here at the major zone region. So I see a correction push, a correction push. This push, I could also see a correction at this region. So if you check properly on GBPUSD, there is also a level around this area, which I marked out with the major zone, the yellow major zone, because this level is kind of a strong level, just a little bit above the major zone, because this level is the level that pushed this market downward. So it's a little bit strong. So after mapping out that level, then what next can I do? Then I'll go back to my weekly time frame. I check what price is giving me on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, at first, what could I see on the weekly time frame? Price has given me a double top around this region as of last month and the previous month. This double top actually formed. So I thought that price actually will continue going lower, retest the neckline and continue going lower. But price formed another double bottom around this area, which has already broken the major zone. So presently I'm looking at this double bottom region as of the moment, because to me, it's like price has, if not for this level around this area, if price break this level around this region, then it's a continuation to the upside. But as of the moment, this level can easily push the market downward. So that's why around this yellow zone that I have drawn here, I'll be very careful. So I am looking, because I am presently working on what I could see, which is a double bottom, not this double top anymore. This is the double bottom on the weekly time frame that I could see as of the moment, and it has already broken the major zone, which is this level. So I will drop back down to my daily time frame. My daily time frame is what is going to tell me the visible things that I can see on price as of the moment. I could see a clear double bottom around this region. I could see a push up, then a correction, then a push up. Then I'm looking to see another correction that is like this. This correction is not yet enough. I'm looking for price to come back to test this area around this region for a correction, then for a continuation to the upside. So this yellow zone on the weekly time frame, remember, this zone is a zone that I told you that it's not a major zone, but it's a semi-major zone. So I'll be watching very carefully for this zone, for price to push this market to this area to tag me in. I'll be placing pending order on this GBPUSD for a buy. I'll be waiting for price to tag me in around this region, then for a continuation to the upside. My TP1 is going to be around this area, then my TP2 is going to be around this area. So I'm currently on pending order on GBPUSD buy as of the moment. Then I'll come back down to my 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is where I'm looking for price to test the counter trend line. Like if you see on the 4-hour time frame, it's already giving like a double top around this area for a further drop to the downside to test around this region. So possibly I'm expecting the market to make a third touch of the trend line for a continuation to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for on GBPUSD as of this week. So since GBPUSD is a buy, Euro USD is also going to be a buy as well, then DXY as well is going to be doing the same thing as of the moment. So that's my analysis for GBPUSD as of the moment.